of the debate, and what does he think about my wrapping up conclusions. And of course, come to dismiss us, please. It's been a long time up here.
Well, thank you. Doesn't work? Yes. Thank you, Irene. I think something important happened yesterday. It started and during this last hour. We heard about social networks. I said yesterday, I tried to convince you that ARTEMIS is a social network. And I think as from tomorrow morning, and as Jan just said, we will have to think deeper on some radical changes that these social networks or our social network could and should bring. It's our responsibility to make this step. I think what we learned yesterday and today is that we have in front of us an important step to do. Now, our 4 champions today are doing an excellent job. There are strong links inside that social network. The projects they are managing are important projects, and they explain that the need to have the man in the street understanding sometimes is also it's also the MEP in the parliament, but and it's probably as difficult. But we need to convince the people. We need to go outside and show, as a network, as a social network, what we have achieved and what we are going to achieve. And this gives me the transition to the last step. So first of all, I want to congratulate the 4 champions, to thank them, and we count on you. Your projects are not completed, but they're not finished, but don't worry, we are now moving to a recognition ceremony. Your turn will come. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so
we are dismissed.
But Irene, I need you.
You need
yes,
me?
of course.
All right, okay. Thank you. It was great.
I know it was not planned, but so it's now time to have this recognition ceremony. And let me explain first the situation we are facing. Last year, well, we gave an award to one project. One project was finished early 2011. It was only a 2.5-year project, Scalopes. But then this year, we have the 11 other projects of the call 2008 that have now finished their work, and one short project of the call 2009. And then we had to think about what do we do now? Do we cherry pick 2 or 3 out of these 12? Why should we do that? On which basis? Because all these projects have constructed the basis of ARTEMIS. As I said, phase 1 projects. These projects are there. They were there to build the basis of ARTEMIS. And then we, thanks to them, can go further in cluster of projects, in the IPPs and so on. Nothing could happen without them. So we found it would be nice to have a kind of equal treatment, because they are very large projects. They are very small projects. It's probably true that some were more successful than others, but I can certify that all of them did their best effort to be a success and to contribute to ARTEMIS. So that's something we cannot forget. That's why we decided to consider all of them as stars. Stars because they gave the light to the program. Stars because they contributed to this program and they are making the success of Artemis. So, because they are stars, we have, and you can see it in the vision, we have this Walk of Fame. As I said, it's Paris-Wood or whatever, it's not Hollywood, but the intention is the same. We want to recognize that without them, we would not exist as we exist. Now it's time to go to a ceremony. And we have now to ask the people one by one to come. I understand it's in the reverse order. Okay. So, alphabetically, no differences. The first project I'm calling Magda Balerna from CAMI. So please come because we cannot spend 5 minutes per project. Okay, so Magda Balerna. The CAMI projects makes better ways to interface to computer systems, primarily in order to improve safety. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I think the photo is what you reward, is your reward. Next one, let me check if this is solid enough. Yes. 5, well, with me it should be solid enough. 5 people for the biggest project ever. When I look to the past, the one will be bigger, an AIPP, but it's César. So I'm asking Ingrid Kunder, Fabien Paganelli, Joseph Appenzeller, Gerhard Griesing, and Jean-Claude Derrien to come on stage. Okay, this is our largest project, a major impact on the way our reliability systems are designed. Think big. Well, they have demonstrated that this is possible. They made true that we were right to say think big. Now, that project is very particular. Because of their size, they have generated also results which are used and reused in other projects. But in the opposite direction, they have also attracted and injected in their project some intermediate results of ongoing in parallel projects from the same call. So it's an example for the strategy of Artemis, and congratulations.
Thank you, Eric.
Thank you, Eric.
You get, but I have only one. So,
Okay, yes.
ladies first. Congratulations. Sorry.
Go, Eric.
Okay, you go there. They go there. You join. Oh, sorry.
Come on.
So you
Okay.
join the other people there.
Okay.
Next project is a project charter. Can I ask Dr. James Hunt to come on stage? Yes. So the charter project is makes using the popular Java language really possible in time-critical and reliability systems. It also has provided some results to César. So, congratulations to you and your colleagues.
Thank you very much.
Please, go there. We join all the people there. The next one is the chess project. Can I ask Dr. Thomas Vergniaud to join us, to join me here? And the chess project makes designing real-time critical systems using software components possible.
Thank you so much.
Voilà. The next one is Diana. So can I ask Rafael Socorro Hernandez to come? Ah, yeah, okay. eDiana is a middleware platform for device interoperability in energy-efficient buildings with some nice demonstrators and Spanish center of gravity. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Next one is Project Emmon. Can I ask Mr. Rodrigo Maya to come? It's a large-scale demonstration of wireless sensor networks called DEMON. Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Next one is Island. Can I ask Francisco Gomez to join us? So Island makes it's a multiple with San Francisco Gomez. It's not a problem at all. Teamwork. It makes middleware and development tools for network systems that can guarantee a given level of service. So congratulations for your excellent work.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Next one is indexes. Can I ask Andreas Eckel to come? Indexes is a first real implementation of the Genesis architecture for embedded systems. Now, for those who don't know what Genesis is, Genesis was a project, an FP7 project approved by the Commission at the beginning of Artemis. It was considered as an Artemis project made outside of Artemis because we are not yet operational. So it has been an excellent follow-up of that first project. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. The next one is P-Shield. Can I ask Joseph Knoll to join? Yeah? It's a pilot project for the SHIELD project that came in 1 year later in the call 2010, actually, which will let us design in security, privacy, and dependability from the outset. Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you, Eric.
My pleasure. The next one, I will give it to Irene. It's, there is apparently nobody from the SMART project present. Is there anybody from SMART? I don't think so. So, SMART project, it's focused on using reconfigurable devices for low power, secure, wireless sensor network nodes, and they demonstrated a video application with face detection. So, I'm not going to do face detection, but you will pass them.
I will.
Okay,
congratulations.
congratulations.
Eric,
Sorry?
you walk out of the picture before.
That's the most
That's not-
important,
yeah.
yes.
And I'll
Next one is Sofia. Can I ask Petri to come? So Sofia made a middleware platform and demonstrators for smart spaces environments, and it has been used in other projects. So it has been a pioneer work for other projects and for clusters of projects. So thank you for this excellent contribution.
Thank you,
Petri, this is for you. And the last one, I think it will be, you will have to take two. SysModel, is there anybody from SysModel? No? So SysModel is a project bringing an open source system level modeling tool to SMEs. It has also provided some inputs to Cesar. As I said, Cesar has absorbed inputs and they have provided results used in other projects. So that's the way we should operate. So for SysModel, you will have to come once more. No, it's okay. Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Voilà. Well, this completes this ceremony. We have here a good set of pioneers. We should thank them Without them, we would not exist. Now we have a break. Thank you.